back to Ranju's Chefgiri. Today I have come up with a new recipe that is spiky rice ball. So we are going to put some healthy stuff in it and then we're going to make it. Let's go to the kitchen and check out how we make the spiky rice ball. For making a spiky rice ball, we need 3 steps. The first step is making the dough. So we are going to take 1.5 cup of rice powder and half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and boiling hot water. We're going to take hot water. Let's put in the cumin seed, the salt and stir it with a spoon. We'll pour in the hot water and mix it slowly with the spoon. When it becomes cold, we can use the hand. So little by little we are going to put in the hot water and make the dough. Let's take oil in the palm and then put it on the dough. Let's keep it aside by covering for 20 minutes. Now the second step is soaking the basmati rice or the long rice. Take around half cup of the rice and then wash it properly and soak it for 20 minutes. The third step is for making the stuffing. We take minced chicken, chopped green chilies, garlic ginger paste and the chopped vegetables. You can use any vegetables and it should be finely chopped. Here I have used French beans, carrots and some other vegetables. The soya sauce. So let's fry it on the gas. Put the pan on and it should be always in the high flame. We are putting the oil and heat it till it's smoky. Let's put the garlic first, then the ginger and saute it. We'll saute it till the rawness of the garlic and ginger goes off. Let's put the chicken. Now it's half cooked. Let's put some salt and it should be according to your taste. Now we are putting half teaspoon of black pepper. Let's put the chopped vegetables, the green chilies too, and saute it, and after some time we are going to put the soya sauce. It's almost done. Let's put off the gas. Now let's get ready with the steamer. We'll put the steamer and put some water and let it boil. And in the meantime, we are going to make the balls. So this is the dough. We are going to separate the dough into equal parts. Roll it and pat it. Just spread a little with the fingertips and put the stuffing inside. Seal the edges. Press it this way, and it should be with a very smooth hand. We cannot press it too hard, otherwise it will break. So make as a ball. You have to adjust the edges and roll it. So this is done. The other also you have to do the same way. Now let's take the soaked rice. This is what I have drained and dried. So we'll spread it all over the mat and then take the greased steamer. Take the rice ball and roll it over the rice. Coat it properly. See how I have done. Put it in the steamer. Do for the rest of the dough. So now the steamer is also ready. We are going to put the balls in the steamer. You will cover it and make it steam for around 30 minutes. Let's take out and check how it looks like. See this. I'm going to cut it and show you how is it inside. See this, how beautiful it is. This is the spiky rice ball recipe. I hope you all will enjoy. Please put it in the comments how it turns out after you make it. Thanks all for watching.